Awareness is, I know what endorsement is. Doing an endorsement is a different thing. And that's where really a good trainer and a good hand-holding model is going to come to light. Hey there, it's Kelly Donahue-Piro, your favorite industry best friend. Well, I'm here to let you know that you've done something great for your agency by joining and listening in on our podcast or watching our YouTube channel. I just want to remind everybody that we're here to help. So if you need anything, drop a comment, go to our website, hang out with our chat, or just contact us. There's a problem in your agency, I got solutions, right? I like to think of it, you got a problem, I'll solve it. But let's get into the content today so that you can improve your awareness and knowledge of solutions that exist to the agency's core challenges. I love new hires in insurance. In fact, we just don't have enough people in this industry to support the volume of work that we have. We have more and more retirements and a very big lack of people coming in. So many agencies are looking for the unicorn, right? They live within 5 miles of my office. They know my management system. They have access to my carriers. They're licensed, but not too veteran, but not too young. They're Goldilocks. They don't have young children at home. They're this, they're that. They're tech savvy. They're amazing. And I would say you're looking for a unicorn in most instances. So instead, I really recommend that we stop and say hiring new people can be fun. Now, you have to be geared up to do this. So in order to get people training on insurance, the first thing that I want everybody to understand is for most people, training is not exciting. But if you have a good trainer, it can be amazing. That's number one. Number two, I think you have to be very specific. So many agencies use the training model of sit with so-and-so. No, I don't love that. I want you to have a structured 90-day game plan, which we have in our Insurance 101. The next step is, remember, it's very hard for a veteran team member to train a new person. We have old brains that don't remember what it's like to be a beginner. And when I first started, we had like 4 logins. Now there's 900, right? So you have to be careful on that. But some tools we love our agency school that's going to teach soft skills, wow customer service, how to get someone on EFT, how to take a payment. We love our Insurance 101, which is going to give the foundational basics. And this is great for a receptionist, someone in accounting, someone in marketing, just foundational skills that are necessary. The other things we like are total CSR, going and using AI and building some of the agents that you can do to like train and quiz people. The biggest thing I want everybody to understand is you have to watch out. A lot of people go to training for awareness. Awareness is, I know what endorsement is. Doing an endorsement is a different thing. And that's where really a good trainer and a good hand-holding model is going to come to light. So if your agency is really struggling with how to train a new person, I understand it's very time consuming and it's not a guarantee it's going to work out. So it feels like a gamble. But the other half is if you wait for a year or two to find that licensed person, they can also need to be retrained, which can be harder. I like to say, pick your heart, find somebody that is humble, hungry, teachable, with a good attitude, and you can train them on insurance. Especially if you think about it, with all the tools we have today. We didn't have some of these tools back when I got started. So now the day is to keep going and go in this direction. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It is so fun giving you guys tips and tricks every single, week out there. Remember, you can find us on social media for updates. You can like or comment on this podcast or video, and we're here for you. And check out our website. There's a ton of tools. We have over 1,000 blogs on our website. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You can search and find answers to your top questions. But also, if you need a little bit more help, you want a best friend that's there cheerleading for you, giving you the guidance that you need, and being there on some of those tough days, let us know. We'd love to meet your agency and learn if we're a good fit. All right, signing off. Go sell insurance.